Meaning of incharge.
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 Incharge. Incharge is an English word that means being in charge or having responsibility for something. It typically refers to a person who has been given authority or control over a particular situation, task, or group of people. Being in charge implies the need for leadership, decision-making, and accountability. This person is responsible for ensuring that the job is done correctly and on time. The sense of being in charge can also bring a feeling of power and authority, but it comes with great responsibility. In summary, in charge means being accountable, decisive, and responsible for a particular situation or task.